As Christmas Day draws near, Jamaicans have been preparing for the festive season, although this year the celebrations come in the wake of Hurricane Melissa, which swept across parts of the island. Now, while Kingston was largely spared from the storm, it has left its mark on businesses and shoppers alike. Yannick Williams was in Halfway Tree and filed this report.
The highlight of the Christmas season for merchants is in full effect in the Halfway Tree. The area has been transformed into a sea of color and movement. Stalls overflow with toys, from dolls and toy cars to stuffed animals stacked high on wooden tables. Racks of neatly folded clothes also line the sidewalks. Despite slow sales, vendors remain hopeful, even as shoppers remain cautious with their spending.
It's not bad because it could have been worse. Last year, maybe a little better, but I'm not going to complain because if I could not be here, I wouldn't even know whether it was good or bad. So I'm okay with what I am getting, yeah.
Last year, I went and I did pick up now, volunteer pick up, you know. It's a fast, just there, I go and give thanks, you know, because it could be worse, you know.
Although Hurricane Melissa did not severely impact the corporate area, business confidence appears low. Some vendors say that compared to last year, sales were better.
Most people from down the country normally come get few of them turn out this year. No? We have a lot of customers from Mandeville side. You know, there's a few come out this year.
As we normally, like this time of year, they will order gifts to give away to staff, and they have cancelled a lot of them.
However, Melissa is not the only problem.
The biggest reason right now is because the system has changed over. You understand? So most people now use cash no more. So that's one of the main things.
They're using card?
Yeah.
So that makes it difficult for you because you don't have a card machine?
Yeah. So you need to upgrade.
Shoppers, meanwhile, say they're feeling the pressure. Many say prices for basic food items and clothing have gone up, forcing them to cut back on spending or rethink their Christmas plans.
Like sorrel, we normally buy it little less. Now it's $1,200, $1,000. Like hot pepper, $5,000 a pound. Sweet pepper, maybe $1,200. So, you know, a lot of stuff gone up.
As for safety, vendors and shoppers say they feel more secure but are being extra cautious due to the concerns about pickpocketing and theft in crowded areas.
Police system has improved because they always have a group going up and one on this side coming down. So there's always police patrolling the area. So it's not so bad. Last year was great. We slept in the car, we barely threw over and cover up, and we were okay.
As Christmas Day draws closer, the hope among vendors and shoppers alike is for strong sales, stable prices, and a safe holiday season. And authorities are also reminding the public to be vigilant, particularly when carrying cash or shopping in busy areas. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.